2 years have passed. Got 27, still crying in cars. Stop planning our lives on things that haven't been said. We're not dead. Waiting for the countdown. Happy birthday, dry heave. I am not okay. Brain rot in a pretty dress. I'm a hot mess. Wake up, do the same thing. Break up, then we're dancing. Why am I so right to do it again and again? I can't fight it. You try driving, exit to the end inside here. Make it ugly, put on a show. Hack it that I hate you so that I can let go. One more evening and goodbye again. Oh God, I'd be lying if I didn't want to stop drafting replies to things that haven't been said. He's not dead. Still waiting for the countdown. Happy New Year. Don't know, I'm still unclear where to go. Take a fucking guess. I'm a hot mess. Wake up, do the same thing. Break up, then we're dancing. Why am I so right to do it again and again? I can't fight it. You try driving, exit to the end inside here. Make it ugly, put on a show. How could that I hate you so that I can let go? Let me let go. Let me let go. Let me let go. I can't fight it. You try driving, exit to the end inside, dear. Make it ugly, put on a show. Hack it that I hate you so that I can let go.